everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you guys that are new around here, I am Blaine Evans and this is Trucking Life. As you just seen in the little opening video, I have upgraded to a GoPro Hero 5 so that I can bring you guys some better footage. There's been some things that I've wanted to record and do, you know, how I throw straps, how I strap down some things people have asked, and things of that nature. And with a phone, you can't really do that. You know, I don't have a little case or something for my phone that I can set it on the trailer or stand or anything. And so this will be nice. Has a little attachment, little flat bottom thing here. And then it has a little protective case. But if anybody wants one of these GoPros, I would suggest to get it now. This is the Hero 5 Black. As you've seen, they are only $249 right now. Video stabilization, shoots in 4K. You can do up to 30 frames per second in 4K. Oh, they're voice controlled, so you can't really do the voice control unless you turn it on. The new 6 Hero Black, the GoPro 6 Hero Black, it actually, you can voice control it from sleep mode. This one, I can't turn it on from sleep mode, but as you can see, it's on now. Shooting my face if you want to see that 2 times, which you probably don't, but you can tell it, GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off. Or maybe not. Oh, it's because it's recording. Sorry guys. So GoPro, stop recording, and you can see it'll stop recording, and then it's turned off. But with that being said, I am putting one of the mounts, if you can see it, it's here. I haven't mounted it yet, but I'm either going to put it right here. This is where my phone mount used to be, to where it looks out the front window. That way I can shoot some footage for you guys. Or I'm going to stick it over there right in front of the steering wheel, maybe off to the left hand side. I did order a suction cup mount for the window. See if I can get this thing to work for you. Okay, sorry, I'm still learning this thing. I literally got it yesterday and I didn't do anything with it. I didn't have a memory card in it. And so I put a memory card in it. And so one thing I noticed, see the little power button up here on top. If you click the power button to turn it on, it starts recording. If you do not want it to start recording, that's why it wouldn't turn off when I told it GoPro turn off. It's because it was recording. Oh, whoops. Now it does it because it heard me say GoPro turn off. But if you don't want it to start recording, there's this little side button right here. It says mode, and it has a little power symbol, I guess. Oh shit, that's my bad. I feel like a jackass. That's the record button. This whole time I thought it was the power button. This little guy, my phone won't zoom in, but it actually says mode and it has the power symbol on it, so my bad. Yeah, you know, that's how you learn. You make some mistakes, but anyways, you hit that little power button on the side, it turns on. You can go through the modes. So that was camera, I think. And then that's burst, that's time lapse, that's video. So if I wanted to start shooting video right now, then GoPro start video. Boom, you can see it, it started a video. GoPro stop video. So it's as simple as that. And then you want it turned off, GoPro turn off. So it will make it nice for me, because being a truck driver, you obviously do not want to be, you know, have your hands on your phone messing around. You know, at the end of the day, nobody needs a ticket. and nobody wants to get messed with for playing with their phone while they're driving. Plus it's unsafe. You know, we all don't do that because we're all safe drivers. We're all commercial professional drivers. We don't do unsafe things. But so that will make it nice. Where I'm going to mount it, you know, all I have to do is reach up, tap the button, it'll turn on. That way I can shoot, you know, canyons or different areas I go to, and then, you know, with one touch of a button you can do that, and then I can just talk to it from there on out. I can tell it what to do. GoPro turned off, and that way it's much safer. You know, you just have to reach up, hit the button, and then use voice commands from there. While it's videoing, you can tell it to take pictures, you can tell it to take a frame burst. I can't remember where I put the little sheet that tells it. It has, I don't know, 8 voice commands. It doesn't have very many, but just enough to make it efficient to use. But what I'm most excited about is I can take this out, I can set it on the trailer, then it can shoot video as I tell you guys, you know, or show you how I throw straps. The way I throw straps, it's really easy on your shoulders. You're not hucking them like a baseball and things of that sort. And so I've wanted to show people, because I'll be throwing my straps in yards, and I know a fair amount of people throw straps similar to me, but I've had a lot of people come up to me and ask me, how'd you throw the strap like that? I don't understand, because the way I throw it, you know, it's, oh, I'll show you, I'll make you guys a video. But so yeah, this is going to be amazing. I have a couple other things on order for it. There's a 3-way, I can't remember what's called, that 3-way holder or something for it, like kind of like a selfie stick, but it turns into a tripod that will keep it like 3-4 feet off the ground, and then because out of the handle, so the handle I ordered, it's called 3-way something, I can't remember, but you can fold it out, and then it can kind of go like a zigzag and hold the camera at the end of it. It has a little unscrew part in the handle that you pull out, and then you flip it around, you screw it back in, and it has a tripod stand. And then you can also just use it, you know, hold it in your hand to turn the camera and things of that nature. But yeah, super excited. I know people have asked me to get a better camera. I finally did, so that way I can make better footage for you guys, and I can also film without holding my phone and get out there and show you guys, you know, for people that are new, or, you know, the informational type videos, you know, people coming into flatbedding and things like that. You know, not everybody knows how to flatbed, and I know some of you veterans out there, you know, you're not going to want to watch these videos about how to throw straps, but there are people that are coming into the industry that need to learn somehow, some way of how to strap, how to throw chains, you know, how to do snow chains. I mean, there's people that don't know how to back up to trailers, hook up airlines and things like that. And me, I'm not one of those people that's out there, you know, and screw all the new rookies coming on. I'm not that guy, you know. Any information that I can put out there to help out new guys and to keep everybody safe out on the road, that's where I'm going to be with my videos. If you want to watch them, you know, I love having the new subscribers. I love having the community that will come together and support each other. So at the end of the day, we're all truckers. But just so you know, next video is going to be shot with this. So look forward to better better quality videos, more angles. You know, we're going to add some scenery back in there, like some of my first videos. You know, we'll get some shots of some American flags, because we all love the big high-flying flags. And just have a good time. You know, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. But I'm super excited to be able to bring better quality to the channel. I know there's not very many of us yet, you know, and I'm fine if it only stays a few of us, you know, or, you know, if I end up getting 10,000 subscribers 10 years down the road, so be it. I'll still be here trying to help everybody out and doing the best that I can. So with that being said, I appreciate everybody for watching. Get ready for the new footage, and subscribe as always. It's much appreciated, and I'll see you guys on the next video.